So you might have noticed recently I've been wearing some wigs in my videos. So I thought that I'd do just a little mini wig haul, if you will, and show you the 3 wigs that I currently am sporting for the Christmas season. This is number 1. This is a dusty rose pink wig. I really like it. It's got little curls. The hair, it feels, I mean, it is synthetic hair, but it does not feel totally plasticky, and as you can see, the light doesn't reflect off of it like it's plastic. You know, it's not a costume wig. It's just a wig to wear around. And I did get this wig off of Amazon. It's my cheapest wig. It only costs like a little over $50. Totally worth it. It actually did have a lace front. So if you don't know about the lace wig fronts, basically they'll have like this mesh right across here, and sometimes it's more of a lighter color. Like I have really fair skin, so like I need like really light colored mesh for my wigs. But a lot of the times they come in like a tan or a darker brown color, and if that's the case, all you need to do is, once you have cut the lace the way you want to, if you choose to cut it, all you need to do then is use a little foundation, and just put a little foundation on the part of the wig, the lace front part that's showing. I know you can't really see it, but I'll show you on a different wig how I use the foundation to change the color. So this is the Dusty Rose wig. Next up. Okay, so I don't know. Do I want to take my wig off on camera? Like, how embarrassing. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so let me show you how it comes off. So you just pull it off, and there we go. What you want to do is make sure that you get yourself a wig cap that is the same color as your skin, and you just pretty much tuck your hair up in the wig cap. Some people put their hair in like buns and tuck it up if it's longer. My hair is actually shorter, so it's not so like hard to tuck up in the wig cap. I feel really weird talking to you right now. All right, we're gonna get to the next wig. Let me just hang this baby up. All right, so the next wig I have is this beautiful, I love it. It's got like a darker top, and then it's purple, and it just like, it goes for miles. But this is actually the wig where the lace, it'll have a lace in the part. You want to get a wig that you know has a legit you know, part or something to it. And this one, it was darker. So all I did was, on the part line, I just put my color of foundation. So now it matches my skin. So let me throw this on for you. Everybody puts their wigs on different. I've seen so many girls like flip their head down and put it on. I do it differently. I like flip my head up. So I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, but this is how I do it. So just take it, and oh, one more thing. If you get a halfway decent wig, it's going to have one of these little rubber band deals. It's in the back. So it's like right back here. There's this rubber band thing in it. It attaches to it. It attaches to itself. Okay, and if you have like a smaller head, or really any size head, I would suggest attaching it, because it cups the back of your neck here, so the wig will stay on. Now I know a lot of people get really into it and they use like wig glue on the sides and stuff to really get it down, but I'm just showing you the basics. I'm no professional by any means. So here we go. Let's give this baby a try. So I'm going to take it. What I do is I hold it. I hold it like this. So I have my hands in that little thing, and I'm going to tuck that thing behind my head. I tilt my head down. It's not that I don't want to see you, because I do every single day. Every single day. Okay. So get it on there. My rings keep getting caught in it. Just get that all the way down to the base of your head and get it adjusted how you want. So a lot of the times what's really cool about these wigs is, like, I have the part on the side. If I wanted the part in the middle, I would just put the part in the middle. Or if I wanted it to the other side, I would just put it to the other side. So this is the, hey, my dog is interrupting my video. Hang on. Get out. Okay. So this is the, kind of ashy, dusty, wonderful. I love this wig. This was my, most expensive wig. I'm not telling you how much it is. But it wasn't like super spendy. It wasn't like $500 or even $200. So, it was like around, it was like around $100. But don't tell anyone. It's top secret. Alright, so here we go. This is the wig. Let me step back so you can see. It is really, really long. This is my favorite wig. It's my absolute favorite. I think it looks the most natural. I actually got this. I live in Washington State, and I got this at the mall at this wig shop. So they had all kinds of wigs to choose from, and I was like in hog heaven, or in crafter's person heaven, whatever. But I found a couple wigs there that I really liked, and this was one of them that I found. So this is the purple wig. Alright, so let's take this one off, and as you saw in the last one, I just kind of pull it back. I'm trying not to remove my wig cap. Sometimes they come off too. That's okay. You just put them back on, but it's a pain in the boot. Okay, let's hang this one up, and I'll show you the last one that I have for today. Okay, voiceover Angie here while other Angie is hanging up her wig. I lost the footage for the very last wig. You can see it right there, the blonde one that I'm taking off. We'll see if you can get a quick glimpse of me putting it on. And spoiler alert, you don't get to see me put it on. I am so sorry. I will be sure to include what I call the Karen wig. No offense if your name is Karen, just look it up on YouTube. You'll see what I'm talking about. I will show that wig in my next wig try-on haul videos. So that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Be sure to like the video if you liked it. And go ahead and subscribe to the video, hit the notification bell, and you will not miss an upload. I am uploading every single day in the month of December, and on a regular basis, I upload videos weekly. My name is Angela, the channel is Ms. Angela Sawyer, and you have yourself a fantastic day. Over and out, and peace out.